Alam mo, hindi namin pinag-uusapan yun. Alam mo, I think the mayor will agree with me na serbisyo muna bago politika. The most political thing that we did today, I wore my pink socks. My pink socks in honor of Mayor Lenny. Of the perennial na flood problem here in Naga and in the rest actually of along the Bicol River. Alam naman natin, ito basin. At maraming mga construction, hindi lamang yung private sector construction, kundi ang pagpagawa nito ng mga iba't ibang yung linipat ang dinaanan ng tubig, kaya naging mas grabe. Isa pang bagay, yung nagsiltation talaga ng husto, kaya kung titignan ninyo, napakababaw na nitong ilog na ito. And sinasabi nga ni Mayor Lenny is that many of the places na dati naman ay hindi binabaha, and dyan na rin yung effect ng climate change. Kaya this is what we are trying to remedy. Malaking trabaho ito, it will take time, but marami na tayo mga intervention na pwedeng gawin, such as the pools that we are going to put up. But tawag nila yung retention fund para mabawasan natin yung pagbaba ng tubig. Dahil nga it is may Bicol River Basin, ang plano na talaga pwede natin gawin, na kailangan natin gawin, ay kailangan natin mahuli na dapat ma-collection na yung tubig bago pa bumaba sa basin. Dahil, again, as Mayor Lenny was explaining, this is a landlocked province. And because it's a landlocked province, ang tagal lumabas ng tubig. So wag na natin sana papasukin. But this is only the beginning. Ito, desiltation lamang ito. At hindi naman ito, kagaya ng mga ginagawa natin sa ibang lugar, this is not going to be one time. We will keep doing this until we have the more long-term solutions. At hopefully, down the road, if we design everything properly, hindi na natin kailangan paulit-ulit na binabalik-balikan. Okay? Alright.
Sabi ko kasi na
No, we have been planning this for a few months already. Because talagang naging critical ito especially with the storms that came in. Then I already instructed the Sec Vince and Sec Ping to look at the situation here. Because of course we know that Bicol is always the pathway of the storms, but the immediate problem that we saw, the change in pattern that we saw, is yung bigat ng bagsak ng ulan. Dati hindi naman ganun karami. You got 700 in one day, 700 centimeters of rain in one day. Ano yung katumbas ng 6 na buwan yun?
Katumbas po siya sa Ondoy and Yolanda.
Yeah, that's very significant. And that's why it became critical. So, we did not discuss. Serbisyo muna bago politika. Marami pang kailangan gawin. Marami pa kaming kailangan gawin. So, we will get to that. Aabot din tayo doon. We're not going to discuss politics now. We are talking, what we are here for is to try and find solutions to this very important problem, the very critical problem that we have not only here in Naga City but also in Kamsur, and for that matter for the whole of Bicol. That's what we are concentrating on. We don't change whatever kung sinong, it's not only here kung sino ang nangangailangan ng tulong, the national government is here to help.